Hey everybody, I'm so excited to be here. Before we got into the teaching nitty-gritty stuff, I wanted to give you all a brief introduction of who I am. I'm Mr. Sickles. I come from a tiny little town called Ferndale, Minnesota. Bonus points for anybody who knows where that is. They're worthless, but bonus points all the same. Me and my wife live in Superior with our three dogs, Barrett, Remington, and Doodoo. We go camping and hiking whenever we can, so this area is great for that. Let's see what else. I love playing games. Obviously, as you can tell, Zelda is my favorite video game. So I have a Nintendo Switch that I play that on a lot. I also play like Mario Kart. I love Mario Kart, things like that. I have a PlayStation 5. Play a lot of like Fall Guys. Used to play a little bit of Fortnite back in the day. Things like that. I also play League of Legends on the computer whenever I can. But I also play not just video games, but I play a lot of tabletop games too, so like Dungeons and Dragons, board games, Magic the Gathering. It's kind of like a card game, like Pokemon or what Yu-Gi-Oh was or is, I should say. But then also, like I said, I like to be outdoors a lot too. So I go frisbee golfing whenever I can. I love frisbee golfing, regular golfing too, even sometimes. Not good at it by any means, but I like to do it. And like when I was in high school, when I was your age, I was in drama. I had the lead in the musical. I also was a part of the football team. We were the state nine-man champs, nine-man football rather than your regular 11. But still state champs all the same. So I love football too. So anytime you want to talk about that, if you have any other questions about anything that I've told you about here, feel free to ask me anytime. I'm an open book.